Good morning, everyone. I feel like I'm teaching. Good morning, everybody. And you're going to go, good morning, Mike. Prado 150 out of here. Well, necessarily make an episode out of this is because for some of it, I've got no idea what I'm doing. So, but I do have a plan. What you're looking at here is a reasonably old camper trailer. I'll just give you the background and then I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing. So when I first started YouTube, or when we went to Cape York, it was about 4 to 5 years ago now, I think it was. Just before we left, a few weeks before we left, because Josh was on his learners and Lachlan, and I had Lachlan and Chloe as well, so I had to fit them all in the Prado, and we went to Cape York. I didn't want to tow anything significant, so what I found was, just on Marketplace, was a young fella down in Brisbane selling this, it's an old style MDC camper trailer, and it had one of those old style tents on the top, the ones that come out and, you know, a room happens over here and, you know, they take a little while to set up. So what he did was he put some bigger Land Cruiser wheels on here with bigger tyres, as you can see, and he took off the old tent, put a rooftop on there. It's been an absolute good little camper. As I said, we took it to Cape York. It's got heaps of storage space underneath and very easy to set up. So I had the luxury of the rooftop here, and the kids had their swags. So all the swags went underneath here, all our food. We actually had a freezer, but I won't go into how that didn't work very well. That's another story. And it's got a little kitchen out the back, which I'll show you a bit later, and a 60 litre water tank underneath. So it covered everything. I could take all the kids in the car, and I could lessen the weight in the Prado and spread it out and have it all in here. So every time we pulled up, this opens up, and it opens up like that, and they pull all their swags out. We had a kitchen with a sink, well, we still got it, connected to the tank with an old style pump.
What's going on here? Hey!
G'day.
Well, look at him! Oh, look at you!
G'day,
You
mate.
never know.
Yeah, good.
Definitely served its purpose, and now it's just kind of been sitting here doing nothing. We bought the caravan, and I'll either take the caravan or I swag it. This is like an in-between. You know, you can still take these places that you probably don't want to tow a caravan, even though the Jayco Cross Track is really good for towing behind the Prado. Or if I just want to go away myself and I want the ease of a setup, which is this. I haven't decided yet. I'm still checking out rooftop tents to go on top of the Prado. I'm thinking maybe this might suit me. I'm not sure. Obviously the idea of a rooftop on your roof is you're not towing something, but does that balance out with, you know, towing one of these? And yes, this did go through the tally track, no worries at all, without any. I think I bent or broke the jockey wheel, which is really nothing. Let me know in the comments if you've embarked on or are currently doing something like this, a bit of a project. So we've got it here. I went, might as well fix it up. So let's get into it. So what the next step is, I've gone around and taken. There was a layer of like foamy stuff on the top, so I've taken that off. I've undone the U-bolts for the tent, bit of a mess under there. And the next step is just to get this off. I'm going to take this off, take it out into the backyard, and then I'm going to take all this rotted wood off here. So let's get into it.
No, this doubles.
These are screws, they're not.
Yeah, the bolts on the other side.
Bending now, isn't it? Josh, we're getting serious now, mate. So what have we done? We've cleaned all this up.
Yeah.
And we're just masking up now to do a primer and a paint. Apparently it's all in the one can. So that should be good.
Hold. Mike's gone to the shop here and got some Gelux epoxy enamel. So it's great for your metals. And it's got primer and paint in one. So just going to give this a quick coat of paint. So then when we stick the metal down, it all looks nice. So, good luck. You kind of want to go around and do all your joints, your corners first. So when you come and do your big ones, they overlap them in neighbour spray. Let it dry, I reckon. And do another coat.
Well, good morning everyone. We are just heading over to my neighbour. His name's Tony, and he's going to help out with the next part of this camper trailer, and that's to sheet it with some aluminium across the top before we put the rooftop back on. So he's so kind as to do that for us. So I'm just heading over here now, and as you can see, here's the camper trailer here. I'll just show you guys. Got the Citaflex, that's what you call it. I had to get white and not black, but anyway, have a look. There it is there. That's what we're going to be working on today. So can't wait to get this little project finished. Woo. Tony.
How are you, mate?
Good mate. This is Tony. He's our neighbour and a good mate as well. And we've probably known you since we've been here.
Yeah.
Must be 7 years or something
It
now.
would be, mate. It'd be getting up there now, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And, mate, you're a bit of a jack of all trades.
Oh.
You know everything about everything, mate.
I have a go.
And when I said I was doing this trailer, we were talking, I was a bit like, because I'm not, everyone's good at something, but I'm not good at middle work. And I went, how are we going to do this? And Tony goes, well, mate, this is what we're going to do. You get this sorted and that sorted and bring her over and we'll get it sorted.
We'll get it done.
Yeah, so here I am.
So we'll make it happen, eh?
Now, what is the plan, mate? What have you got?
Well, we're going to
What are you
drop
gonna
it
do?
back down flat now, and yeah, we've got some sheet aluminium in the shed,
Yeah.
and we're going to get the air shears out and,
Yeah.
and shear it all up and get it cut the size, and then we're going to use a bit of 252 Sikaflex, which
Yep.
is for gluing panels onto metal,
Yeah.
and we're going to make it so it never comes off again,
Nice. And waterproof.
and waterproof, 100%.
So that's going to be great.
That's the big
and,
goal.
she'll be as good as new then.
Excellent.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good, mate.
Let's make it
well,
happen.
better get into it.